Hello there! Do you want to learn how to create a modern, robust web application? Would you like to take your PHP skills to the next level, get a new job, or impress in your current one? Have you struggled with creating your websites and apps? Or do you have a feeling that you repeat yourself too often, writing the same code over and over again? Then this course is just for you. Learning from documentation and saying isolated examples is not productive. Are you tired of writing yet another hello world? In this course you will finally create something real. You will see how to glue everything you learn together. MVC, controller, root, doctrine, user management, sending emails, internationalization, testing and deployment. Sounds unfamiliar? It will sound very familiar after you complete this course. From starting up an empty project to deployment, full source code is included. Get your PHP and web development skills to the next level finally. Why you should enroll now? There are other courses, blog posts, there is a documentation, but they don't cover the Symfony framework from A to Z. They give you chunks of knowledge with no practical use case. You'll waste weeks or months researching the topic by yourself without any guidance. You will never know if this particular blog post from 2013 that you've just read is any relevant today. This course gives you all you need to get started in least possible time. I am sure you will agree it was a great investment in yourself after finishing this course. However, if you want, there is a 30-day, 100% money-back guarantee. Join over 3,000 students learning Symfony without hassle. Check out the sample videos and reviews from happy students all over the world that this course got. Enroll now and see you inside the course.